Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add and remove bookmarks in PDF files. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Go to the official PDFgear website. Download PDFgear from the website. Install the PDFgear app on your device. Then, open the PDF you want to add bookmarks to with PDFgear. PDFgear has a bookmarks panel for editing bookmarks in PDFs. To add a bookmark, first go to the page where you want it. Click the Add Bookmark button to create a new one. Rename the bookmark and click OK to add it. The bookmark will appear in the Bookmarks panel. You can repeat this process to add more bookmarks. Go to the page you want to add bookmarks. Click the Add Bookmark button to add. You can also right-click the page and choose Add Bookmark. Click a bookmark in the panel to jump to that page. PDFgear also lets you add sub-bookmarks by right-clicking on a bookmark. The sub-bookmark will be added to the current page. If a bookmark name is too long, PDFgear will wrap it automatically. Let's rename a bookmark now. You can drag the panel to show longer names. Right-click the bookmark to enable or disable the wrap option. Check Wrap Long Bookmarks automatically. Then, all long bookmarks will wrap automatically. You can uncheck this option if you prefer overflow text. The selected bookmark will be highlighted in bold. Right-click a bookmark and select Rename to rename it. You can also create multiple bookmarks on the same page. You can add many sub-bookmarks under a bookmark with multiple levels. To create a sub-bookmark, right-click the bookmark, not the view area. You can even create sub-bookmarks for sub-bookmarks. This lets you organize bookmarks into multiple levels. You can also create several bookmarks on the same level. Find the page where you want to add a bookmark. Add a sub-bookmark and rename it. In this way, you can add many sub-bookmarks. That's how you add bookmarks to PDF files with PDFgear. Bookmarks make it easier to navigate PDF files. They help you jump directly to specific pages. Besides adding bookmarks, PDFgear also lets you delete them. Right-click a bookmark and click Delete to remove it. Bookmarks you create can also be edited. These are the basics of creating, editing, and deleting bookmarks. These bookmarks are available in all PDF readers. PDF files with bookmarks are easier to read. The first two buttons in the Bookmarks panel let you expand or collapse all bookmarks. You can also collapse or expand individual bookmarks with this button. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.